You say so.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Shona Castley and I study Biology SL at the British School, New Delhi. For the Group 4 project, I was Team Bani's leader, and there were 5 other members in my team, and we wanted to evaluate the health implications of the local resources and the surrounding area at Laksh Farms and the mangrove Bani forest. We did this through 4 experiments, 1 for each subject, and a survey for the EVSS students, where we asked the local people what they take for headaches, loose motions, etc. For the chemistry experiment, we looked at different water samples, and we used a titration technique to evaluate the hardest of water. And for biology, we tested the vitamin C content of different food types to see which one had the best, and that could be used better to better the lives of people there. We also tested different materials for physics to see which one would be best at maintaining a certain temperature, so that they would have a refrigerator type of mechanism for them to work with. So now you're going to meet the rest of my team, and they're going to tell you their reflections, what they thought of it, and as well as the global implications of our study, because we really feel that our project will help the mangrove forest. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Divya Sakul from British School, New Delhi, and I take EVSS at standard level. And we recently had a Group 4 project, and we had a survey. I carried out a survey at the village, and what I learned is that people aren't entirely educated there, and they believe that the doctors, what they supply to them is for the betterment, which is not entirely true. And I really wanted to help them, and I'm sure my group wants to also help them. So what I thought about is that we can maybe give them training and educate them as we have better facilities and we are more advanced in knowledge about the first aid. So, yeah.
Great, thanks Divya.
Hi, I'm Jay Singh. I'm doing biology high level British School, New Delhi.
Okay, Joe, what was your biggest learning experience from the trip?
My biggest learning experience was how to adapt to new situations and experiences. That's because we were forced to take a tractor up to the place, and we had to, one second, I'm just being called over there. I'm a very important person.
Hi, my name is Sushanti and I study HR Bio and Chemistry at the British School of Delhi in India. Since I was the only chemistry student in my group, I focused mainly on the chemistry experiment, although I also helped out in the bio experiment, during which we tested the sugar contents and the vitamin C contents in different fruits. So for the chemistry experiment, we tested the hardness of water, and the main hypothesis was that the greater volume of soap solution required to form a lather that lasted for 30 seconds meant that the water was harder, therefore more nutritional, containing more magnesium ions, which would help in plant growth. After we got our results, we made a write-up of the experiment, and we got different results. We made the conclusions, which helped us decide what was best for the community at the Laksh Farms. For example, what water they should use for drinking, washing clothes, and giving water to plants. As for the global implications part of the project, this helped in giving us, as well as them, a better understanding of how our environment works. And I found that my experience of the Group 4 project was really helpful, because it was different from working on a science lab in school, because we got to do real experiments that we designed in the real world that will help people in the long run. Thank you.
So as a group leader, there were many challenges that I was faced with, but perhaps the most rewarding thing that I took away from the project was the fact that we all had to work together to help other people, which is something that we don't usually come by, and we really learned that what that we can apply our knowledge in many different ways, and one of the ways is to better humankind. And we looked at the different types of water sources that can be used for different things, and what we can really do now to help the community is to maybe hold first aid seminars, like Divya said, report back to Lux farms on our findings of the different types of water and what they should be using for what, and just help them in any way we can. In terms of the group, I think we worked really well together as a team. We all got a lot from it, and we had fun on the day, which was also very important. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a bit about Team Bani.